Yes, next topic is statistics singulars now. We have already discussed about plural sense, plural noun. Now we will study about singular noun. Singular sense statistics means science of statistics or statistical method. It refers to technique or method relating to collection, classification, presentation and analysis of interpretation of quantitative data. Here first we will collect the data, then classify it, then presentation of data, analyze and then interpret. And this data will be related with quantitative form. It will not related with qualitative. We will take quantitative, that is numerical form. Statistics definition. Statistics may be defined as collection. First, you will collect the data. For example, if we are collecting data class of 10th students, average marks of this student, then first we will collect the data of our school, how many students is there, marks of the student, average marks, highest marks and lowest marks. Then presentation of data means how we will present the data. It may be in table, graphs or diagrams. It depends how kind of data we are taking. And then we will analyze of it. We will find out average, highest, lowest marks, and then we will interpret of numerical data. We will interpret it. Now another definition is Lovett. Statistics is a science which deal with the collection, classification and tabulation of numerical fact as a basis for the explanation, description and comparison of phenomena. स्टैटिस्टिक्स क्या है? एक साइंस है जो डील करती है कलेक्शन, डाटा को कलेक्ट करना है, फिर उसको क्लासिफिकेशन करनी है एंड टैबुलेशन, टैबुलेशन के फॉर्म में करोगे और जो भी डाटा होगा इट शुड बी इन न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म. उसके बाद हम एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे, उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन करेंगे और देन वी विल कंपैरिजन ऑफ द रिज़ल्ट. प्रीवियस ईयर में कितना रिज़ल्ट इंक्रीज़ हुआ है, कंपैरिजन दिस ईयर. मिस जो परसेंटेज है वो कितनी है, प्रीवियस ईयर में कितनी थी, अब कितनी है, 90% है, 95%, 98 है एंड सो ऑन. वी विल डू द कंपैरिजन. And one another example is that we will take information or collect the data for comparison. If we are taking example of a company, if we are collect the information related with the profit, then this information is for comparison, and previous year how much profit and next year how it will be, and previous year how much profit was there. So statistical information is collected for comparison. Stages of statistical study. Collection of data. सबसे पहले what you will do, you will collect the data, then organize the data. आपने डाटा को कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. फिर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डाटा है, एनालाइज करना है, इंटरप्रिटेशन करना है. सी हियर स्टेज फर्स्ट, collection of data. You are collecting data like see here, for example marks of the student 5, 15, 18, 17, 16, 19, 20, 23, 50 and so on. Okay, this is collecting of data, and this is marks of the student. Now, organization of data, array of data and tally bar. Tally bars means you have already studied about marks, tally bar in statistics topic, and this is a topic is related with the math. Mean, median, mode you have already done. For example, 5 marks, then 15, and you will find out tally bar. How many times the 5 is there? 1. 15 again 1. 18 again 1. 17 again 1. 20, 21 here, and 220. 2 times. It is a tally bar. It means you will organize the data in a systematic way. पहले जो डाटा था, जो आपने ये लिखा हुआ है, दिस इज़ अ रो डाटा, जस्ट रो डाटा है. आपको कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं पता चल रही, जस्ट मार्क्स है. बट with the organize of data you will find out how many student have 5 marks 1 student, 20 marks कितने student के हैं 2 students. Okay, then presentation of data means how you will present the data. You can prepare table, graph or diagrams, it is up to you, and which kind of question they are asking, then you will draw the diagram, graph or tables. Next, analysis of data. Percentage, average, correlation, regression, coefficient, mean, median, mode, and so on. How you will analyze. Interpretation of data. Magnitude of percentage करोगे, average करोगे, degree of relationship between different economic variables. Interpretation करना आपने.